Welcome back, everyone. I'm Gareth with Off the Shelf. Today I want to do a quick tip showing you how to update the mapping between QuickBooks and Off the Shelf when you have a new version of a product. So you've mapped products between QuickBooks and Off the Shelf to automatically suck in your invoices and create sales orders in Off the Shelf to get your whole production process started, but then you've created a new version of the product and maybe that mapping in QuickBooks is still stuck with the old one. It's real easy to fix, but it's an important thing to fix because you don't want to create sales orders with the old product when your sales team sells the new thing. All right, let's just dive in and show you how this works. So I'm going to start with going to my QuickBooks invoices screen. And this is where, of course, we can see all of the things that have been sold by our sales folks. You can do this from estimates or from invoices. And if I look at this Texas State University order, I can see that, oh, we've got a floor pocket base. This is not a product we sell a lot of, but recently it's been in a lot of engineering meetings, and I know, and sales knows as well, that we are making a new version of this product. Customer's very excited about it. Everybody on the team's pumped to do version 2, but this is the old version, and we definitely don't want to create a sales order based on the old version. So I'm going to back out of this and go to the product. My first thing I got to do is disconnect this old one. See the floor pocket lift base, that's the old guy, and then the V2 base, that's the new one. So I want to go in and disconnect from QuickBooks for the old one first, and then I'll reestablish the link. So I'm going to edit my QuickBooks mapping here, and I'm just going to delete this mapping. Here we go. We can see the QuickBooks mapping is for floor pocket base. I'm going to delete that mapping. So now that disconnects this old products from the QuickBooks product, and I'm going to go back to floor pocket V2 and establish the new QuickBooks link. And now I just repeat these steps. I edit the product, edit the QuickBooks mapping, but instead of deleting an existing mapping, I'm going to add the new mapping. And this gives me a list of all my QuickBooks products here that it's pulled from QuickBooks. I'm going to select the floor pocket base. And now anytime we see floor pocket base appear on a QuickBooks invoice, that will get pulled over into the V2 product inside of our manufacturing software. So now we can go back to our QuickBooks invoices screen. And if we try to suck in this invoice again, this was the Texas State University order. Now we can see what was on the QuickBooks invoices floor pocket base, because we call it the same thing on the sales side, regardless of which version it is. Now on the manufacturing side, it will get mapped to floor pocket V2 base. And I'll just select the customer. This is Texas State University. And now I'm going to create the sales order, and you'll see as soon as it creates the sales order, now we're mapped to the floor pocket 2 base. There we go. That's it. Mapping between QuickBooks and Off the Shelf really saves you a lot of time about data entry when you're trying to get orders into production. But you got to know how to edit those as well, because after the initial mapping is set, things evolve, you change, and you want to keep everything current. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time.